Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Namra from BS Chemistry and my topic is Introduction to Python. Chapter 1 there is Hello Python. Python was conceived by Guido and Robson when Stanford started as a hobby. Project soon became a general purpose programming. General purpose build anything. Open source free. Python packages also for data science and many applications and fields. Python script. Text files .py, list of Python commands, similar to typing in IPython shell. Use print bracket to generate output from script. Putting your code in Python scripts instead of manually retyping every step interactively will help you to keep structure and avoid retyping everything again and again. If you want to make a change, you simply take the change in the script and return the entire thing. In chapter 2, there is Python list. Python data types, float, real numbers, and integer numbers, string, text, bool, which is boolean, true, false. Each variable represents a single value. Name a collection of values, contain any type, and contain different types. Manipulating list. List is one of the simplest and most important data structures in Python. Lists are enclosed in square brackets and each item is separated by a comma. List is collections of items where each item in the list has assigned index value. A list is mutable, meaning you can change its contents, and lists are very flexible and have many built-in control functions. In chapter 3, there is functions. Function is nothing new. There is type with brackets and piece of reusable code, solves particular task and call functions instead of writing code. This is an example of functions. Now packages. There are motivation and packages. In motivation, functions and methods are powerful, all code in Python distribution. Huge code base, messy, lots of code you won't use, and maintenance problem. Packages. Directory of Python scripts. Each script is equal to module and specify functions, methods, types. Thousands of packages available like NUMPY, Matplotlib, and scikit-learn. In chapter 4, NUMPY. Let's recap a powerful collection of values, hold different types, change, add, remove, need for data science, mathematical operations over collections, and speed. Solution NumPy. Numeric Python, alternative to Python list, NumPy array, collections of over entire arrays, easy and fast, and installation in terminal pip3 install NumPy. NumPy basic statistics. Data analysis and generate data. In data analysis, get to know your data, little data, or simply look at it. And in generate data, argument for np.random.normal brackets, distribution mean, distribution standard deviation, and number of samples. Thank you so much. That's all from my side.